Phases through which a project manager will go through. And let me tell you something, this is purely based on my experiences throughout the career. But every successful project manager or soon to be a successful one will always go through these different phases. Phase 1, the rookie phase. We've all been there as a project coordinator, as an assistant. We are really the driving force, the engine working behind the scenes. Remember all those long hours, juggling the calendars, dealing with a lot of people to make things happen. It is not glamorous at all. And the toughest part, no one even notices what you're doing behind the scenes. So how do you get out of this phase? 1, you become the person the entire team depends on. Number 2, you master the project tools. Number 3, communicate clearly, precisely, and consistently. If you are able to make the life of your manager easier, then soon enough you will be trusted with even bigger responsibilities. That's where you move into phase 2, the project manager phase. Congratulations, you're now leading projects. But it is not that straightforward as it sounds, because you're now dealing with project time, cost, and scope. And the most important piece, managing people, which is where the real test begins. Handling sudden changes and trying to keep everyone happy? Welcome to the chaos. But this is where most of the project managers hit a wall. And here's the transition that separates the good from the best: getting certified. PMP certified project managers earn 25% more on an average and have a much higher ratio of completing the project as per the scope, within time and budget. The PMP certification isn't just a piece of paper. It goes to show that you're serious about your career and you compel your employers to take notice of you. But here's a tip from the experts. If you're already in the PMP study mode, why just stop there? Now is the perfect time to go ahead and get prepared for the PMI ACP certification as well. Data reveals that over 71% of the organizations today are operating in agile mode. Having both PMP and PMI ACP certification under your belt not only makes you versatile, but also helps you to stand out in your organization. This transition from delivering projects to becoming a master of both frameworks is the real game changer. Then comes phase 3, the senior project manager phase. Now, as a senior project manager, you're going to be responsible for a portfolio of projects. You're not just responsible for getting the task done, but to also make sure that all of these align towards business goals. So how do you move up from here? You need to make a shift from project execution to strategic thinking. It's now about leadership. You will have to start training and coaching junior project managers. You need to start influencing the stakeholders. And the most important thing, you now need to ensure that you are delivering business value on top of that. And then comes the phase 4, the program manager or director of PMO. Now you are working with multiple teams, managing the higher level and ensuring that everything is strategically aligning. It is immense work, but the rewards are even higher. So let's be real, guys. This phase will come with its own set of challenges: bigger budgets, senior stakeholders, and more firefighting to be done. But here's the thing, by now you have already mastered the skill set and completed your PMP, PMI, ACP certification, or guess what? You can also start preparing yourself for the even higher PGMP certification. So whether you are in this rookie phase or heading towards the leadership role, every step is crucial. But with the right skill set and certifications like PMP and PMI ACP, you're not just going to climb the ladder, but you're also going to carve a place for yourself.